Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple steps to make money through sourcing and dealing investment properties. Before we get going, I'd like to thank each and everyone that have been supporting the channel. The channel is absolutely growing immensely. Thank you. I appreciate you all. The channel wouldn't have been where it is without your support and your generosities and you sharing the content out there. So thank you. But there's one favor I need to ask to the people that have not hit that subscribe button. We've done a research. We realized 45% of the people that are watching my content have not hit that subscribe button. If you're one of those, I kindly ask you to hit that subscribe button to join the family. Thank you. And I promise, I got a promise for you. I'll promise posting valuable content to you. And we've got lots of investors lined up for an interview session. I cannot wait to share all those golden nuggets for you because I wanted to show them a proof that the channel is growing immensely, to motivate them or to encourage them to actually be interviewed in this channel. So it's growing immensely, so I look forward to sharing all those content with you. So what are the 6 simple steps to make money through sourcing property deals, sourcing property investment deals? The first step in getting into a property is educating yourself, gain deep understanding of the property market, including property valuation, market trend, and legal aspects of buying or acquiring properties. Because once you learn, you know about property, you know the market, you know the trend, you know the strategies that are out there and how you could value a property, it gives you a golden opportunity to acquire properties that someone can add value to, or properties that you could acquire at below market value. So go out there, bench study, literally get someone to mentor you, guide you, encourage you to take you a little bit closer to your financial goal. Number 2, build a network. Build a network of people that would help you elevate your sourcing business. You may be thinking, what sort of people are they? The first people you want to be thinking about are your estate agencies, property investors, and other professionals like doctors, lawyers, accountants. Anyone is out there buying properties. You may be thinking, how do you do that? So in terms of getting the right estate agent is to find a patch, okay? Go to your patch, whether it's Liverpool, Manchester, Birmingham, Dudley, wherever that may be for you, wherever your patch is, okay? Go to that patch, look for the estate agencies in that patch, visit them, get to know who the managers are, who the supervisors are, and who maybe the assistant managers are as well. Build relationship with them. Now, here's the thing. I wouldn't want you just to go one time and then you work out and you've never been back. No, you have to consistently visit them, get them to know who you are, be there so you can remind themselves about you. So maybe you want to be going once or a couple of times every 3 weeks so that they can be reminded who you are. And perhaps maybe if you've got the manager's email address, it's like sending him information about property market, where the property things are going. You're doing this not just to educate them slightly, but to remind them about you. Because once you've done that, they will always remember about you because you're constantly sending them information out there. So that's one of the ways you could do it. You may be thinking about investors. So now, important for you to get the deal, but at the same time, you need someone to buy it, aren't you? So in order for you to get someone to buy your property deals, you need to be networking, building relationship, attending property events, property training event, business event, and telling people on social media about what you do. People don't do this enough. There's so many people out there, they go into sourcing property deals, but really and truly, they don't actually network with getting investors. So you go out there, network investors, ask them what they're looking for, what their budgets are, where their investment areas are, finding what they need. Here's the thing, if you look what value can add to investors, they will always come back to you handsomely to invest with you. Find what their pain point. They might not need a property right now. They might need a mortgage broker. Tell them, hey, I've got a mortgage broker. Here's this number. You go ask him to sort you out. I need a lawyer, a solicitor. Help them add that value. It's all about building relationships. It is important not just to go on social media to check people's statuses or the videos that they post. Try to network with these people, because once you network with these people, it would only grow your network in a network of people, and then you start having this list. And then obviously with that list, then you can use to push your deals. How do you get that list? You get that by posting deals. Even if you're posting a dummy deal, get a clickbait deal so you can get people put in their numbers and their digits for you in order for you to be able to sell them deals for when you get the right deal. Number 3, identify profitable deals. Now this is important, because what you want to be doing is to putting yourself out there with solid deals. Look for good, lucrative deals. You see, if you do that, you will attract the right sort of investors. But don't do that by inflating the figures, okay? By making the figures look good. Because if you do that, people would know. Most of the people are buying these source deals. They are experienced investors themselves. And the beauty of doing that, if they know your figures are good, it helps build that brand. Here's the mistake lots of investors make. They see a deal, they don't negotiate hardly, they go and inflate all the figures, make it look really nice and amazing, only to find out the investors realized all the figures were wrong. They're all inflated. Guess what? Once they've seen a bad deal from you, one bad deal, even if you got an amazing deal, they will not look at your emails anymore. They won't look at your deals anymore, because they will always be thinking it's the same thing. It's a perception thing. So make sure you identify profitable property deals that the figures are genuine. If anything, underestimate what you're doing in terms of the profitability side of things, and kind of overestimate the expenses slightly. So when they're doing the analysis, they're thinking like, whoa, this person missed XYZ. They see that deal then become lucrative, because once they've done that, they'll start thinking, whoa, this guy got a good deal. I'm going to start looking at the deals, and perhaps they will buy that deal from you as well. Number 4, negotiation. Negotiate in every single deal. Negotiate on any deal as if it's your only deal. Negotiate as if it's the only deal you have on the table, right? Negotiate as if you're buying that property yourself, right? Have a market knowledge and harness your negotiation skill, ensuring that you get these properties at discount, not just at discount, looking for properties that people can add value to, properties that people can renovate. People can force the value by adding an extra bedroom, maybe converting it into a C4, which is a HMO, or maybe converting it into a flat. Look for deals that you can negotiate on. And then what you could do, and then look at the options that property can bring in. Suppose then you went there and you knew then this property, I'm going to negotiate it, but there's an option here. The potential buyer can convert it into a HMO. Right? Or they can convert this property into flat. That gives you an ample of opportunity to give your investors different exit strategies to be able to buy that property deal. Number 5, most sources do not do this. I'd like you to put this part of your mandatory requirement to serve your investors. It's all about adding value to the people you serve. Pick the people that you serve in front, ahead of you. Not about you, it's about what you do for someone else. Okay, so manage the legality. If they're about to buy the property, help them with solicitors, ensure they have all the legal requirement. Help them along the way, because if you're helping them along the way, they are winning by getting the deal closed quickly and finished quickly, and that also helps you get your money quickly. Because here's the thing, if they have not bought the property, if completion hasn't taken place yet, that money is not yours, okay? It should be going to a client's account. However, if you're helping them doing all this sort of thing, guess what? It makes that process quicker, and once it's quicker, you get your money quicker, and guess what? That investor will not forget you, because they will say, look, when I bought that property, I did not just buy that property from that gentleman. He also helped me with solicitors. He also helped me with the conveyance. He also helped me with the valuation. He also helped me with the mortgage brokerage. He also helped me raise the funds. Literally, once you add value to these people's life, they would always and always come back to you asking for more, because you've put their interest ahead of yours. Once you've done that, you would absolutely be successful in the property investment industry, because that's how people tend to build a high net worth of individuals that are happy to buy their properties all day long. Number 6, my favorite, sell or rent out their properties. So what do I mean by that? You can help your investors get their properties. You can help them recommend renovation company to renovate their property and ask them, look, if you ever want to rent the property out, I'm happy to help you with the renting as well. So what you then do is it becomes a done for you service kind of. You can help them get the deal, right? Help them with the legal process and raising the finance, and help them with the renovation works. And they say, look, if you ever want me to manage it, let me know. I'm more than happy to manage the properties for you or rent it out for you. So what you then do, you then rent that property out on a rent-to-rent basis. For example, you can go and source that same property deal again to another rent-to-rent investor who will pay about £3,000 to £5,000, okay? And then, first of all, you source it for the investor. Perhaps that investor paid you about £4,000 for that deal. You help them with all the process on it. Times to they finish the renovation, when they said, then they turn around and say, look, could you help me rent it? And then guess what? You offer them a rent-to-rent deal, right? Strategy. Then based what? You get that deal and then you source that deal then to a rent-to-rent investor for about £3,000 or £4,000. You would have made £9,000 from one single deal. Now you see how adding value can pay you handsomely, isn't it? Imagine if you've just sold that deal to that person, you haven't done anything afterwards, you got your sourcing fee, you walk away from it, that's done. Okay, imagine then adding all this value, because that person now is kind of obliged to pay you back. They will turn around and say, look bro, I've done the property, are you able to rent it out for me? You rent it out, make a bit of sourcing fee from it, you're gone. Or perhaps they don't want rent-to-rent strategy, you can rent it out, manage it, and then get your monthly recurring income that way. Hence the reason why I bang on to my investors. If you are not adding value in people's life, you are in the wrong business and you're doing the wrong thing, and you will not grow. The only way you grow and maintain that growth is about adding significant value to people. If anything, get addicted to adding value to anyone that have come across you. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you.